अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल का नेम है राजू टेक्निकल 01। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको जल्द मिल सके। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू यूज़ एफएक्स वीडियो ऐप। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप एफएक्स वीडियो ऐप को कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप वीडियो मेकर हैं, वीडियोस या टिकटॉक बनाते हैं, आप इस पर अपनी वीडियोस को कैसे एंड लेवल और प्रो लेवल तक एडिट कर सकते हैं। तो देखने के लिए वीडियो को पूरी देखिएगा। मैं आपको इसका पूरा तरीका गाइड करूंगा, हाउ टू यूज़ एफएक्स वीडियो ऐप। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। Certainly, if you are interested in adding special effects to your smartphone videos, there are a few apps you can explore. Let's dive into how to use one of them. FX Guru is an app that allows you to incorporate exciting visual effects into your videos. Here are basic guides on how to use it. First is choose your effect. Open the FX Guru app, browse through the available effect library, select the effect you want to use. These effects can range from explosion to UFO sightings. Second is record your video. Make sure your video recording is at least as long as the effect you have chosen. Most effects run for at least 10 seconds. Record your video with the effect in mind. For example, if you are adding an explosion effect, capture a scene where the explosion would fit naturally. Third is apply filters. Optional. FX Guru allows you to apply additional filters to enhance your video. Experiment with different filters to achieve the desired look. Fourth is render your clip. Once you are satisfied with your video, apply the effect and any filters. Wait while the app processes and render your final clips. Remember that FX Guru is just one of many apps available for adding effects to your video. Feel free to explore other options based on your preferences and creativity. If you don't like more detailed tutorials, there are helpful videos on platforms like YouTube that walk you through using various trading apps. For example, how to use FX Video app. This video provides insight into using a trading application. You can watch it here. Apps you need to trade FX on your mobile phone. A comprehensive guide for beginners interested in forex trading. Check it out here. Majoris app, Pro-Hacer Trading, and El Celular y Ganar Dinero. This video in Spanish introduces reliable trading platform for beginners. You can find it here. Happy trading and video editing. Learn more. First is youtube.com. Fifth is cnet.com, and there are many domains for this